Cook. She loves to cook homemade meals for her family. He cooked a delicious spaghetti dinner for his friends last night. Eat. I usually eat breakfast before heading to work. They decided to eat out at their favorite restaurant for their anniversary. Bake. She baked a batch of chocolate chip cookies for the school bake sale. He enjoys baking fresh bread every weekend. Grill. They decided to grill burgers and hot dogs for the summer barbecue. He likes to grill vegetables for a healthier meal option. Savor. She took her time to savor the flavors of the gourmet meal. They savor the taste of their grandmother's homemade apple pie. Taste. Please taste the soup and let me know if it needs more seasoning. He tasted the exotic dish for the first time during his travels. Chop. She carefully chopped the vegetables for the stir-fry. He chopped the herbs finely to garnish the dish. Devour. After a long hike, they were ready to devour the sandwiches they packed. He couldn't resist and devoured the entire pizza by himself. Blend. She used a blender to mix the fruits and yogurt for her smoothie. They blended various spices to create a unique seasoning mix. Sample. At the food festival, you can sample dishes from different cultures. He loves to sample street food when traveling to new cities.